So we have to put all the discussions what we do during session here, and if we feel that there are some challenges, if you have feel some challenges, then we have to make the recommendation so that we can remove the challenges, and then we'll put the responsibility and remark if any. So guys, before we start the session, let me know if you have any question, or else we'll start with our session. In the guide words, there are total 6-7 categories here. Mobilization category, and this is a specific pre-planning or pre-mobilization works. And then we have third one is conflict or construction issues, planning issues. We have specific construction issues. We have got specific construction issues preparing for issues that may arise. And the last is anything else. So we will start with one by one. First is mobilization and temporary facility. Okay. So in this one, the first question is transportation and parking. Yesterday we have discussed that, yes, we have got the TSF and the area is approved by company. So roadways, parking lots, buses parking, and safe walking areas and lighting during the working at night. So we have pre-populated saying that the parking TSF area has been approved, right? TSF. TEMPORAR, temporary site facility.